guys, today I'm going to explain the mechanism of HCL formation. So first of all, we draw the diagram. We draw the blood capillary here, the lumen of the stomach here, and in between we have the cells. That is a chief cell, parietal cell, and just chief cells, right? So what happens is that we should know certain exchange systems that are present on the parietal cells, as we know that parietal cells are the chief site for HCL formation. So there's the presence of the potassium exchanger. We have the hydrogen potassium ATPase pump that we also call as the proton pump, and then we also have the chloride ion channel, and we also have the chloride and bicarbonate antiporter. So this is the antiporter, and we also, that's pretty much it. So what happens is that chloride, first there is there's interstitial fluid in between the blood capillary and the cells, and here from the interstitial fluid into the parietal cells enters carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide, it combines with the water that is present in the parietal cell and forms bicarbonate. Now this bicarbonate, it dissociates into, this carbonic acid, it dissociates into bicarbonate and proton. Now this proton or H plus ion, it is sent out into the lumen through the proton pump. So it's pumped outside, and in exchange one potassium ion enters. Now this potassium ions, it goes out through the potassium exchanger and it maintains this cycle. Now this bicarbonate ion, it goes out through the bicarbonate chloride antiporter into the interstitial fluid, right? And along with that chloride ion, it enters inside, and this chloride ion, it is sent out through the lumen, through the parietal cell, through the chloride ion channel. So we're making sure, or what happens is that the proton as well as chloride ions, they are pumped out into the lumen, and the proton and chloride over here, it forms HCl in the lumen, and alongside there will also be bicarbonate ions increasing in interstitial fluid, and this will be sent into the blood capillaries, and that forms an alkaline tide. So what is very important is that more amount of HCl secretion in the lumen accounts for more amount of bicarbonate secretion in the blood capillaries, and that causes an alkaline tide. So that's pretty much it for the mechanism of HCl formation. See you in the next one.